Hello everybody, Jarek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, we're going to be going over how to get the Bither, and that's how you pronounce, I think, Bither Bitcoin wallet installed on Linux. So Bitcoin wallets tend to be a little bit complicated, so I've been actively searching out through the community to find good, easy to use Bitcoin wallets on Linux. And one of the easiest ones to install is the Bither app. It's on Windows, macOS, and Linux. So to get it, go to bither.net, hover over desktop, and actually if you have an iPhone or an Android phone, you can also get a companion app so you can have the same experience on your mobile phone as your desktop. But hover over desktop, click on the Linux button. This will download a tar archive, and from here you just go to your downloads folder. You gotta wait for it to download, obviously, but once that bad boy finishes downloading, you can extract the tar archive and start it up. And it's just a binary. Go to the downloads button in your file manager. Once you've finished downloading it, click the extract here button, and then you've got the Bither offline thing. It should be ready because this is an app image. It should already have this checked, but just in case, check this execute button, and then you can click open, and this thing is going to open up and start up. And then as we can see, Bither is right here, and it's installed. So it's got a shortcut. And so to get started with the wallet, you pretty much have to click more. And now you can look through the settings. You've got password, vanity address, advanced options, and just pretty much important information that you might need to know. But to create an account, you need to click new and keep the X random. And I'm showing you all this information, so I'm not going to put any money in this, so I'm going to be comfortable showing you this information. I'm never going to use this wallet again. I'm probably going to delete the settings from my computer, so don't worry. But click the new button, click OK, enter your password, and make sure it's secure, and it will tell you if it's not. And click OK. It's going to go through. You have to draw around to kind of create some security. And now this right here is my hot wallet address. I can copy it. I can also show my QR code if someone wants to send me coins. And I can send transactions. I don't actually have any money in this, so I can't actually do anything. And like I said, I'm not going to put money in it because then someone could steal it. But that's the rough idea on how to use this. And of course, you can click the address button and you'll see the Bitcoin info there. So that's how to get Bither installed. And I highly recommend it. If you're looking for a quick and easy Bitcoin wallet for Linux, definitely check it out. Anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video.